Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. A vicious cycle persists that finds our young men in and out of prison like a wash and rinse cycle. 80% of men who are convicted and have served their time eventually find themselves back in prison as repeat offenders. For some, life in the streets is colder than in the pens, and many are happy to return to what they deem as safer living conditions. On the inside, men who were castaways and just used for criminal activity find a sort of refuge that provides a sense of purpose and belonging, albeit a negative one in most cases. Criminals become centers of control inside the prison gates, and their sense of importance is elevated. When released, history repeats itself. In the absence of a system that facilitates the successful re-entry and integration of ex-convicts into society, broken men will return to what they know. It is hard to conceive the mind of a hardened criminal that would lead him to commit cold-blooded murder. It will therefore take trained, non-judgmental professionals to peel back the psychological layers that have trapped the minds of our men. Psychological support is also needed for those that were wrongfully accused and have found themselves on the wrong side of the fence. The trauma that may be present cannot be ignored. Ex-convicts cannot simply be left to be better on their own when released from prison. An effective support system that fosters behavior change is key. There are programs in Jamaica that facilitate the reform and rehabilitation of at-risk youth and men, including the Citizen Security and Justice Program, the Fight for Peace movement, and community affiliate programs tied to zones of special operations and other initiatives. The strengthening of existing programs and the establishment of new plans and programs will better the chances of reaching and creating a shift in the minds of at-risk youth and men that are exposed to a lifestyle of criminal activity. Given the state of crime on the island, a comprehensive crime plan that addresses all spheres of the problem is required. Short-term fixes serve a purpose, but medium and long-term plans must be developed to address crime as a social problem that is an effect and not the root cause. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Also check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.